how to fix messenger call problem. So let's go. Follow my step. First, tap your messenger apps. Just second, and tap apps info. First, clear first stop. Tap OK. And tap clear cache and clear history data. Delete all data. First, clear permission all apps. Camera permission, messenger permission, call permission, notification permission, all permission. Top. Open Play Store and search messenger apps. Tap messenger. Update your messenger apps new version. Open messenger and all permission and call your friend. So finally, your problem, your solve. So subscribe my channel. Thank you.